In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in Gmail with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive right into it by first accessing Google Contacts. Open up your web browser and head to Google Contacts. Before you proceed, ensure you're signed in with your Gmail account since your contacts are automatically linked to it. This is a convenient way to have everything in one place. Once you're in, when you want to view your contacts, look over to the left sidebar and click on the Contacts tab. This displays all your saved contacts. If you're looking for someone specific, make use of the search bar at the top. It's a great tool for quickly locating a particular person. When you click on a contact, you'll be able to see detailed information such as their email, phone number, address, birthday, and any notes you might have added. It's all about keeping everything organized and accessible. Now let's talk about how to add a new contact. Start by clicking the Create Contact button at the top left. You'll have the option to create a contact for a single person or for multiple people. Enter all the necessary details like the contact's name, email, and phone number. You can even add a company or organization and jot down any additional notes if you like. Once you've filled in the information, hit Save to keep this new addition. Editing an existing contact is straightforward as well. Select the contact you wish to edit, then click on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. You can now update any information as needed. Once you're done making changes, be sure to click Save. If you find yourself needing to delete a contact, follow these steps. First, select the contacts you want to remove by checking the box next to the names. At the top of the screen, click on the three-dot menu and then choose Delete. You'll need to confirm this action to finalize the deletion. To merge duplicate contacts, click on Merge and Fix in the left sidebar. Google will automatically suggest any duplicates in your contacts. Review these suggestions, and if everything looks good, click Merge for each one to tidy up your list. Organizing your contacts using labels can be very handy. Select the contacts you wish to group, then click on the label icon in the top menu. You can create new labels like Work, Friends, or Family, or you can add these contacts to an existing label. This makes it easier when you're sending group emails from Gmail. If you have contacts from another source, importing them into Gmail is a breeze. Click Import in the left sidebar, then upload your CSV or vCard file. Finish up by clicking Import to add them to your account. Finally, exporting contacts when you need to is equally simple. Click Export in the left sidebar. Decide whether you want to export all contacts or just specific labels. Select your desired format like Google CSV, Outlook CSV, or vCard, and then hit Export to save the file. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your contacts in Gmail. I hope this helps keep your digital life organized and efficient.